Well, I am going to drink Mountain Dew, and I'm gonna see how loud I can burp. Okay, oh my god, it is stupid crap. No. 4. Does that count? Or am I reading on your phone? Whatever. I have to live! Oh, that hurts. Okay. Oh, that hurts. Why is it so easy for you? Oh my god, that's so hard. Now it's gonna come out, it's gonna be really loud. Why does everyone have to send me Why do you gotta roll on me like that, dude? Cause you can't burp and I can't. That hurt! Oh, that who's been pitching for 2 hours straight. No, I care. I'm fine. Oh, we ate the get up in God, you're a good child down. My mom's here. Okay, what do I want to take from you? Go. Go. Where'd she go? I take Harley's belt. My mom's belt. Oh my god, you can wait, I see you. Oh my god, you freak! She's such a freak. Oh my god. Is she still at the window? Oh my god. You're both freaking retarded. She's embarrassing to nature. Like your face? Yeah, I'll bring you a second. Thanks for agreeing with me. What? Oh, this. Oh my god. Get out of my shoe. Where is it? Oh, it's almost coming. Oh. Here, go in. Oh shit, dude. I need to find the other shoe. Mom's gonna be like, oh my god, this is taking so long. I'm going to talk to OMFG.